These are the Tiny Feet alphabet felt letters. It's a set of 6 felt letters, and this felt is amazing. It's bendable, flexible, and it's really thick and rigid. It's actually made from recycled PET bottles. So not only is it washable, but it's also stain resistant as well too. And great for kids. It's perfectly sized for their little hands, but it also doesn't hurt if they get dropped or thrown. They're incredibly durable and a lot of fun. You can order a lowercase set, uppercase set, and we have also some other fun little alphabet activities too. But check them out, the Tiny Feet Felt Letters at tinyfeet.com.